One of the things that we are going to talk about and we're going to kind of teach is the most money on any deal that you possibly or ever touch are the ones that you can hold on to. So this is a case study on a house that we literally have under contract for sale right now. It actually hasn't even closed on the back end, but I'm going to show you, like, this was under contract in today's market a couple of weeks ago, and I want to be able to show you what we're doing in our market, and hopefully you can mimic it in yours. So when this came across our desk, our game plan, we had buy and hold, do some construction, and turn it into a rental. When we bought the property, it only had one bathroom, and it was the tax record said it was a 4-bedroom, but it was really a 2. So what we did is we added a little bit of space on the side and converted it into a 3rd bedroom, and then we added underneath the stairs a half bath. The reason we did these two things, it cost us about $40,000 to renovate the house and do these two things, because it changed the value. Our initial estimate was about $850 a month in rent, and by doing these other additional items, the rent went from $850 to $1,300, which, you know, I'm not a math major, but that's $450 additional per month. If you've owned something for 4 years, that really starts to add up.